Good afternoon, student. Today we are celebrating Teacher Day. You know, why celebrating Teacher Day? Teacher Day celebrated 5th September because to remember Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna's birthday. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was our country, India's first vice president and former president or philosopher and award. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan awarded to a Bharat Ratna awardee who was birthday 5th September 1888. When when he got second president, her student decided to her birthday celebrating and celebrate Teacher Day. So we in all Indians are celebrated Teacher Day, and all school students, college students celebrating Teacher Day. She presenting any greetings, handmade cards, chocolates, and presenting for dancing, and our favorite teachers giving them all gifts. Students favorite teachers we are given the our teacher any gifts and celebrating teachers day. I am also celebrate teachers day. I wish my teachers, and especially I wish my teacher, the Sapal teacher training course, Veronica ma'am, wish you many happy Teachers Day. And thank you for your guide, bring your guide and inspiring me to all studies and all activities. Thank you, ma'am.
A very good morning to my respected teachers and my fellow upcoming teachers. Today we have gathered to celebrate the pillars of our education and the system and the guiding lights who have shaped our minds and hearts. Teachers' Day is a special occasion to express our gratitude and appreciation for the tireless efforts, patience and dedication of our teachers. As we stand here today, we honor the selfless contribution of our respected teachers who have inspired us, motivated us, and helped us grow in capable individuals. Their influence have extended far beyond classroom, shaping our values, beliefs, and our future experiences. So let us take a moment to acknowledge and thank our teachers for their unwavering commitment to our education system and our well-being. We are forever grateful for their presence in our life, irrespective of what age we are. I would now like to end my speech with a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. And now I would like to invite Jessica ji to continue with importance of Teachers' Day, followed by poem recitation in Hindi and Marathi to be done by our future to be teachers Yogita ji and Purnima ji. Now please I will invite Jessica ji to come and take over the stage. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaushal, for introducing us to Teacher Day concept. Now let me tell you about the Teacher Day celebration. Teachers Day is a special occasion celebrated across India to honor the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great educator and the second President of India. It is celebrated on India on 5th September every year. Let me tell you about few more key individuals who brought revolution in the field of education. First one is Rabindranath Tagore, the visionary educator. He believed in holistic education. His teaching methodology have emphasized on creativity and nature. Second one is Maria Montessori, the child-centric reformer. Maria Montessori, an Italian educator and physician. Montessori introduced a revolutionary method of education that focus on child-centric learning with 5 senses methodology. Third one is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the people's president. He believed that teaching was a noble profession, often emphasizing that dreams could transforms into thoughts and thoughts into actions. His books and lecture continue to inspire millions of students in India and around the world. Now let me tell you few points for importance of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is a tribute for the hard work, dedication and commitment of the teachers for shaping the future minds. Second one, it recognizes the vital role of teacher in our society. Celebrating this day boosts the morale of the teacher for the knowledge and skill. It encourages them to continue their good work. On this day, students express gratitude and appreciation, which also support in building a strong student-teachers bonding. This day also promotes the culture of respect and gratitude for teachers who play a vital role in shaping our lives. Let's take a moment to thank our teacher for all that they do. Let's promise to be good students who listen and always try our best. Thank you.
Thank you, Jessica. शिक्षक जीवन में जो राह दिखाए, सही तरह चलना सिखाए, माता पिता से पहले आता, जीवन में वो सदा आदर पाता, सबको मान प्रतिष्ठा जिससे, सीखी करते हुए निष्ठा जिससे, कभी रहा न दूर में जिससे, वह मेरा पथदर्शक है जो मेरे मन को भाता, वह मेरा शिक्षक कहलाता। कभी है शांत, कभी है धीर, स्वभाव में सदा गंभीर, मन में दबी है ये इच्छा, काश मैं उसके जैसा बन पाता, जो मेरा शिक्षक कहलाता। हॅपी टीचर्स डे।
आज शिक्षक दिन आहे, आपण तो साजरा करतो ते डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन यांचा जन्मदिवस आहे म्हणून। तर त्यानिमित्त मी तुम्हाला शिक्षक दिनानिमित्त एक कविता सादर करते। ज्ञानाचा प्रकाश देणार दिवा अखंडत जळतो, जीवनाचा अर्थ करा गुरुमुळेच कळतो। आयुष्याच्या कोऱ्या कागदी सजते सुदक नक्षी, गुरूंच्या ठाई घडते शिष्य, इतिहास आहे साक्षी। रंक रावना भेद इथे, हे स्थान जगा वेगळे, ज्ञान सुगंध चहू दिशांना समतेने दरवळे। दिले सदा ओंजळ भरणी, कमी कुठे ना राहिली, गुरूंचा सहवास म्हणजे ग्रीष्मातही सावली। चरणी लीन हो माता, नको कोणती आसक्ती, मनाच्या गाभाऱ्यात वसावे सदैव गुरूंची मूर्ती। हॅपी टीचर्स।